Hello everyone, so I just got done filming a little get ready with me / tutorial with the Shop My Stash products that I chose like over a month ago at this point. So if you want to see that, go ahead and click the link in the description box. But today we are doing the Allure Beauty Box unboxing. It is not the same box that it normally comes in. It's totally different and I'm really excited to see what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. It's still all taped up. So I knew that they were doing a little bit of something different. The last month's box that they sent said that they were changing things up a little bit. So I guess we'll see what's different besides, I don't know, a new box. Maybe that's it. I have no idea. My box didn't come until the 31st of January. I don't know what that's about. They sent me emails saying that it was going to be late. I don't know why. I don't know if that had something to do with the fact that the boxes are different. I have no idea. So I guess we'll see once we get inside what's inside my box. So sorry that this is the January box inside February, but I literally got it on the last day of the month and it's taken me a couple days to film it. So yeah. So before we get started, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the January Allure Beauty Box, then just keep watching. So if you are unfamiliar with Allure, it's a monthly beauty subscription service that provides sample to full-size items every single month. I pay $15 a month, but with tax, it comes out to like 16 something a month. And shipping is free, so it's just a fun little beauty subscription box where you get beauty products in the mail every month. So it's like Christmas every month. So I'm just going to open this on up. So here is what it's looking like on the inside. You're still getting your little pamphlet. Oh, this is cool. So you got your pamphlet right here that tells you everything that's inside, but look, you get a little bag. So that's pretty cute. So instead of getting your typical red box, you get a little makeup bag. This is actually really, really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling items out. The first item I've got, this is I never know how to say this, Doucce? I have no idea. But it looks like a little lip crayon. So it says a matte lip crayon. We get this brand quite frequently in beauty subscription boxes, but this is in the shade Winterberry. It looks like a really pretty, very reddish color. That's what it looks like. That's actually really pretty. I actually really like that a lot. I'm not super into reds or dark colors for that matter, but I really want to start getting into them. So I think this adds a really nice piece into my collection. So this is full size and it retails for $22. So we got a full size item, 22 bucks. It basically is already taking care of the price of the box. So that's nice. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is a Mally Beauty eye color shadow stick. So it's probably just like it's like an eyeshadow stick. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Wow, I actually really like this color a lot. It's like a brown, bronzy, shimmery, metallic kind of color, if that made any sense at all. It's like almost got like silver glitter in it. So it's like a bronzy with silver, if that makes any sense. But I actually really like that color. I don't use shadow sticks a whole lot, but I'm actually kind of into that. And this is full size and it retails for 25 bucks. So already we got a pretty good value so far. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is kind of catching my eye. These are the little beauty blenders. These are, I think they're like for concealer. Yeah, so these are the Beauty Blender Micro Minis. So you can use it for your concealer application, around your nose, sunspots, little things like that. So these are actually really cute. They are just like super, super teeny, teeny, tiny. Look at those. They're really soft too. I bet if you wet them, they get, you know, a lot bigger, but these would be really good for like concealer and everything like that. Obviously it may take a little bit longer to do it, and these retail for $18, so that's actually pretty fun in my opinion. I don't have any teeny tiny little sponges, but there you go. Okay, the next thing I'm looking at, this is a huge bottle of this. This is the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. Dang, look at that. This has gotta be full size. Wow. I am impressed so far. Holy cow, this is $80. I want to find out if this is full size or not, because I mean, normally we just get like little samples of this, of like Sunday Riley items, but I don't think I've ever gotten a full size Sunday Riley item. I can't find this exact one on Sephora, but I found a similar one that's $80. It says that it's 1.18, it's 35 milliliters. This one's 15 milliliters. So this is a little less than half of what the full size one is. Okay, so the 15 milliliter one, those retail for 40, but still $40 for this face oil. I mean, this is pretty decent size. This is the face oil that I use right now, the Tarte Maracuja one. These are the exact same amounts in here, and I have like used less than half, and I've had this for a long time. So these last forever, I feel like, and I'm actually really excited for this. I've been super into oils lately, and so I'm excited. I'm excited to try this out. So retail value, this is $40. It's pretty awesome. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is another Sunday Riley product. This is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. The full size is $85. This obviously is not full size though. The full size one is 30 milliliters and this one is 8. So it's just a little sample of it, but still like 8 milliliters is a pretty good amount, I would think, to try out a product. So it says that it fights the signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin. So it's just a little retinoid serum. So it's still pretty fun. The next thing I got, this is the OUAI Scalp and Body Scrub. Oh, nice. So it says refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. So nice. So you can use this on your body and your hair, which is pretty cool. Ooh, it smells pretty good too. Oh, wow. It is like, feels like jelly. And I also feel like this is a pretty decent size to try things out. It says it's an ounce, so the full size one retails for $38. So yeah, that will be fun to try. My scalp could definitely use it. So I've actually got a couple other little mini scalp scrubs, so I'm excited to see how this one compares to the other ones that I have, to see if I like it more. I do like a lot of OUAI's products, so I'm excited. Okay, the last thing we got, this is the NCLA, it looks like just like a nail polish. Yeah, it's just a nail lacquer. This is in the shade Call My Agent. It's a really pretty like watermelon color. I actually really like it. And you know what? It must be a bonus item because I don't see it in the pamphlet at all. So nice. We got a bonus item. So that's really, really cute. I don't know how much it retails for. I don't think I've ever heard of the company NCLA for nail polish, but the color is really pretty. So, and the packaging is really cute with the pink lid. So there you go, a nice little bonus nail polish for you. Okay, so overall, you guys, I'm actually really excited with all the changes Allure's making. I think that this little bag is really cute. You can travel with it, throw your makeup in it, or whatever you want to do with it. And as far as the products go, I mean, we got 2 full-size items right here. We got the beauty blenders. I mean, I guess technically they're minis, so they're not full-size, but I mean, they're beauty blenders, so that's pretty nice. We got a huge thing of the Sunday Riley oil. To me, this basically makes the bag. It's pretty awesome. And then these last 2 items are pretty decent sized samples, so I'm actually really excited, you guys. I think that Allure is really stepping up their game and not just giving out the teeny tiny little samples. So I'm excited to see what they do for the month of February. I wonder if, you know, it's gonna go like backwards to giving out little teeny tiny samples. The first month of things changed up always seemed to be really good, and then sometimes with other companies it like goes downhill. So I don't know, I'm excited to see what happens. Honestly, I like Allure better than like Ipsy or the Sephora Play box, or I mean there's other little beauty subscription boxes out there that are like $10 to $15, and I feel like this one just takes the cake, honestly. So I'm really excited. What did you guys think about this bag? I mean, the value of it is probably over $80 with that oil being 40 bucks on its own. So you're getting a really good value for the amount of money that you paid for it. So yeah, I'm excited. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys are subscribed to Allure, did you guys get the same things I did? I know that there was a little bit of variation in there. I think you could either get Beauty Blender or the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. So let me know. Let me know what you guys got. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.